News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Abhishek Mukhopadhyay giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we'll be discussing about vacancies in Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, National Institute of Design Andhra Pradesh, Department of Urban Planning Chandigarh, National Institute of Hydrology, Central Forensic Science Laboratory and Supreme Court of India. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India set up the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology at Jais Amethi, Uttar Pradesh by the Act of Parliament. The institute has been accorded the eminence of being an institution of national importance along the lines of the Indian Institute of Technology. The institute is empowered to award degrees in its own right. The institute is co-promoted as an energy domain-specific institute by 6 leading oil public sector units: Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Oil India Limited, GAIL India Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited in association with the Oil Industry Development Board. The institute is associating with leading international universities or institutions specializing in the domain of petroleum technology and energy. The prime objective of the institute is to provide excellent education, training and research to roll out efficient human resources and to meet the growing requirements of the petroleum and energy sector. The institute has an ambitious plan to offer a number of bachelor's and master's degree programs, postgraduate diploma courses and doctoral programs in science, engineering and management. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, an institution of national importance, Government of India, invites online applications from eligible candidates for the posts of professor, associate professor and assistant professor in following disciplines: petroleum engineering, chemical engineering, electronics engineering, computer science and engineering, physics, chemistry, mathematics, geoscience, social sciences and humanities, management studies and allied disciplines. Interested candidates may check web page of the relevant departments for existing requirements. For eligibility criteria and online application, visit the website www.rgipt.ac.in. National Institute of Design Andhra Pradesh is an autonomous multidisciplinary design institute of national importance established under the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. From the academic year 2015-16, it is offering graduate program in design in 3 major disciplines of industrial design, communication design, and textiles and apparel design. Applications are invited from the eligible Indian nationals to fill up the following positions: 1 post of Senior Engineer LBM, 1 post of Head Security Services, 1 post of Assistant Engineer Civil, 1 post of Assistant Engineer IT, and 1 post of Warden Female. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the link available on the institute website. For details regarding educational qualifications, experience, fee, other requirement, and terms and conditions, please visit the website www.nid.ac.in. Corrigendum, addendum or cancellation of this notification or recruitment of any of the posts shall be published on the National Institute of Design Andhra Pradesh website only. Last date for receipt of application is 19 December 2021. Chandigarh Administration Department of Urban Planning UT Secretariat Chandigarh invites applications by 20th December 2021 up to 5 p.m. for engaging retiree or pensioner retired from the Government of India, state governments, union territory administrations, boards or corporations on contract basis for a period of 6 months or till the post is filled up on regular basis. 1 post of Assistant Architect, 1 post of Senior Draftsman, and 3 posts of Junior Draftsman. The applications in the prescribed format addressed to the Chief Architect, Chandigarh Administration, along with self-attested supporting documents, that is age, 1 passport-size photograph, retirement order, copy of PPO, education qualifications, etc., must reach the concerned authority on or before 20th December 2021 till 5 p.m. Incomplete application or application received after the due date will be rejected. The advertisement terms and conditions of appointment, selection criteria, application format and agreement can be downloaded from the website of the department, that is urbanplanning.cht.gov.in and chdpr.gov.in. Applications are invited for the following posts to be filled by direct recruitment or deputation, including short-term contract, in the National Institute of Hydrology, a Government of India society, and the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation at its headquarters and regional centers at Guwahati, Belgaum, Patna, Kakinada, Jammu and Bhopal, or any part of the country where the Institute may set up offices or regional centers from Indian nationals. 1 post of Administrative Officer on Deputation, 2 posts of Senior Research Assistant, 1 post of Section Officer on Deputation, 7 posts of Research Assistant, 1 post of Library and Information Assistant, 2 posts of Assistant on Deputation, 2 posts of Stenographer, and 1 post of Technicians at Grade 3. The last date for receipt of printout of completed online application in the Institute 30 days after it is published in Employment News. The candidates are required to apply through online only. For submission of applications through online mode, please visit Institute's website, that is www.nihroorkee.gov.in. The Institute reserves the right to fill or not fill any or all the posts advertised. The Institute is free to change the criteria to call the eligible candidates for the written test interview as per response to the advertised posts. NIH will screen all applications received before the closing date. Only screened-in candidates will be invited for written test or interview. Experience and essential qualifications and age will be reckoned on the last date for submission of online applications. Incomplete applications or applications without self-attested copies of all relevant certificates, both educational and experience, or applications received after the last date are liable to be rejected. No correspondence will be entertained from the candidates regarding the eligibility, status of applications, postal delays, conduct and result of test, etc. 1 post of Senior Translator is proposed to be filled up in the Shimla unit of Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Chandigarh by deputation or absorption basis from amongst the employees of central government offices, including Directorate of Forensic Science Services. The maximum age limit for appointment by deputation or absorption shall not be exceeding 56 years as on the closing date for receipt of applications. The pay of officials selected for appointment on deputation, absorption and various other conditions will be governed in accordance with the orders, instructions issued in this regard from time to time by the Government of India. The applications in the prescribed pro forma in respect of suitable, eligible and willing officials who can be relieved immediately, if selected, may please be sent along with up-to-date ACRs or APARs of the last 5 years, photocopies duly attested by an officer not below the rank of Under Secretary to Government of India, and as also the certificate endorsed in the advertisement duly signed by the competent authority. The duly completed applications must reach the concerned authority within a period of 8 weeks from the date of publication of this circular. The candidates who apply for the post will not be allowed to withdraw their candidatures subsequently. Applications received after the last date or without the required documents will not be entertained. Supreme Court of India invites applications in the prescribed format from Indian nationals who fulfill the following qualifications, experience and other eligibility conditions as on 1st November 2021 for selection for appointment to the post of Director, Library. The details of scheme of examination, age and general instruction prescribed for the said post can be downloaded from the Supreme Court website www.sci.gov.in. The application in a sealed cover indicating application for the post of Director, Library, thereon and addressed to the Branch Officer, Recruitment Cell, Supreme Court of India, Tilak Marg, New Delhi, may be sent so as to reach him on or before 31st December 2021. Applications received after due date will not be entertained. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News. For information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.